Hi there, thank you very much for clicking on this link. At the end of this short video is the link to our survey, and I really hope you'll take a few moments to fill it in. My name is Juliet Turnbull, and early next year I am looking to launch a business which I believe will make a real difference to those women who are looking to juggle work whilst raising a family. The business is going to be called 2to3days.com, and it will be a place online which will connect capable and experienced working mothers with companies and organisations that are looking for your talent and expertise on a part-time and flexible basis. The question is, how do you currently go about finding this work, and how do businesses find out about you? Well, 2to3days.com is going to be an online referral agency which is going to meet this growing need and fill a gap in the marketplace. The purpose of this survey is to find out what you really want, as we are keen to build a business that will really work for you. We also want to connect and hear from as many mothers who are currently working part-time or who would like to come back to work. So if you know any mothers that match this criteria, we'd really appreciate it if you would forward this survey on to them. As a thank you for filling in this survey, we'd like to invite you to become a founding member of 2to3days.com and receive 6 months free membership. All you have to do is complete the survey and provide us with your contact details at the end so that we can get in touch with you. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it. Take care. Bye-bye.